Welcome back to Old Studio Car, where today we take you straight into the heart of American automotive history with a detailed look at the legendary 1953 Chevrolet Corvette C1. This was the very first model year of the Corvette, the beginning of a legacy that is still alive today. Even after so many decades, the 1953 Corvette stands as a timeless icon, and in this updated review we will break down its exterior details, performance abilities, maximum speed, fuel average, and current price value in the collector's market. The 1953 Corvette was Chevrolet's bold attempt to create an American sports car that could rival the European machines of that era. Its exterior design remains one of the most distinctive shapes in automotive history. The new update in its review focuses on a detailed appreciation of its fiberglass body, which was a revolutionary material at that time. Instead of using steel like traditional cars, Chevrolet introduced a lightweight and rust-resistant fiberglass shell that gave the Corvette its signature smooth curves. When you look at the front, the chrome-lined circular headlights, the egg crate mesh grille, and the long sweeping fenders create a sporty but elegant appearance. The side profile is clean, with subtle lines and integrated chrome accents that highlight its road-ready stance. The 1953 model came only in polo white, and today restorers and collectors often bring out an even brighter shine with modern paint and preservation techniques. The rounded rear with bullet-style taillights completes the car's iconic silhouette. Even with modern updates for restoration, the Corvette still maintains its original charm, combining the beauty of early American craftsmanship with a fresh, polished look. Many owners update the chrome trim, polish the hubcaps, or restore the soft-top convertible roof for a cleaner appearance, but the design remains true to its roots. This car is a perfect blend of vintage character and timeless style. Moving to performance, the 1953 Corvette was powered by the Blue Flame inline six-cylinder engine paired with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. While modern sports cars focus on massive horsepower numbers, the Corvette's strength was in its light body and refined engineering for its time. The engine produced around 150 horsepower, which allowed the car to deliver smooth acceleration. The updated review highlights that despite being almost 70 years old, a well-maintained or properly restored 1953 Corvette can still provide a surprisingly satisfying driving experience. The exhaust note is classic, the throttle response is steady, and the power delivery feels linear for relaxed cruising. The steering and suspension were designed more for comfort than aggressive sports handling, but the Corvette still gave drivers a taste of open-top performance. The maximum speed of the 1953 Corvette was around 108 miles per hour, which made it a respectable contender in the early American sports car segment. Acceleration from 0 to 60 took roughly 11 seconds, which at that time was competitive and thrilling for drivers seeking a new kind of excitement on the road. When it comes to fuel average, the 1953 Corvette delivers around 14 to 16 miles per gallon depending on driving style and restoration quality. Compared to modern fuel-efficient sports cars, this may sound high, but for a vintage performance machine from the early 1950s, it was fairly typical. Classic car owners generally value the experience and nostalgia far more than the fuel efficiency numbers. Now for the price update. The 1953 Chevrolet Corvette is one of the rarest American cars ever made, with only 300 units produced. Because of its limited production and its historical importance as the first Corvette ever built, it has become highly collectible. Today, the price for an original 1953 Corvette in excellent restored condition ranges between $250,000 to more than $350,000. Pristine, fully original, or museum-quality examples can climb even higher, sometimes reaching above $400,000 at auctions. These values continue to rise as more collectors around the world search for early Corvette models. The 1953 Corvette is not just a car, it is a piece of American automotive art. Its design, performance, and rarity make it an icon that continues to attract enthusiasts and historians. The updated review shows that this legendary model still holds its place as one of the most cherished classics of all time. Thank you for watching Old Studio Car. If you love classic car reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed videos.